Go! So yan po, in-execute lang ang execution ng fireman's carry. 50% ang speed, 50% din ang accuracy. Yan. After makuha yung patient, kasi po rapid transport, ililipat ang patient to station 2. Okay, station 2. Sino yung inassign ni leader?
Wala man, di pa na.
Mag-perform na
Okay na. Kaya natin to.
carry with extremities. Ayan. So, meaning, you are asked to transfer the patient to station 3. Station 3. So, that is 2-man carry. Now, sa station 3, anong nakalagay doon?
Hammock.
3-man carry. That is hammock carry. So, paano i-perform ang hammock carry?
Di ang atihan, guys.
Okay. Someone will command.
Ayan yan, Sir Ted.
Hurry up. One, two, up. 1, 2, click. And then assuming nasa narrow space kayo, kaya yan yung appropriate no na move.
Ay, nandito.
And then in station 4, sino yung naka-assign for basic life support? 4. Kasi 4 lang ang manikin. Okay. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Sa mechanics, you will perform 3 cycles. So, gagawin talaga nila 3 cycles.
One, two. Second cycle. In 3, 1, 2, 3, go. 1.
Naara ko, saan mo?
1, 2,
Okay, pang third cycle na sila ngayon.
go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And that's the end of the fourth cycle. So the team will now proceed to
Ako
the
mag-lead.
fifth station. Okay, fifth station. Patient for fifth station.
Di pa lang
Ang sa fifth station is bandaging technique. So magbabandage.
Bandaging.
Tignan ninyo kung anong type of technique ang gagamitin. Kasi ang injury yata sa tuhod, no? Na-dislocate ang knee, ang tuhod. Patignan nyo how many bandage or T-bandage will be used and how many splints. And ilan participant ang i-assign para mag-perform. Pwedeng uulit. Kung naka-perform sa station 1, gusto niya sa station 5, pwede.
Kaya na lang po. Mama ni, tanaw, tarong. Why not? Dos bilog na split. CPR na, tadwa.
Hanggang 5 lang ba, no?
Okay, medyo tatagal konti sa bandaging but kailangan pa rin namin ang accuracy.